very short, the risk management issue was that I am with a people company, ISS. We have quite many placemakers, and they have really hard job doing the janitorial services or other services where they use the body in awkward situations. So I wanted to try and find a solution how we could drive down that risk of not running into attrition and sick leave and less performance also. But the attrition part is a heavy burden to that industry. And I wanted to see if I could find a cure somehow to address that risk. First of all, I started studying the data on our workers' compensation and our medical claims. I talked to our workers' compensation provider, and I argued for a discount because we are quite big and all that. They didn't want to give me that, but instead they were connecting me to this vendor of the vest where I used as a project, kind of. So we tried that vest on, and when I saw that kind of solution, I thought that was amazing and that would be doing something good for the body, because it can measure with sensors on the body, and then you can simply measure to how you can lower the pressure on the spine. And then on top of that, I correlated that with our global sick leave. But when I saw the vest, I think it was rather easy for me to see that that was a new kind of tool or benefit that we could have really, really project with. Yeah, basically I touched a little bit upon it, but another innovation part is basically also that I would like to take this opportunity also inside ISS to maybe not discuss which kind of tools do you have in health and safety, but rather turn it around and say which kind of benefits can we as an employer offer to our people to make them feel more control of their body and learn how to move their body in a better way, not to run into attrition or to lower the risk of getting sick. And then besides the fact that I think it's quite norm for the many risk managers that when you sit in finance, then you have a tendency to mind your own business, but reaching out to health and safety, and then you're working with people, which is traditional HR, people and culture. In that triangle, it's not that many risk managers maybe that are working in that triangle. So that was my thought. I wanted to integrate and include people into this. So it was not a one-woman thing. It was a collaboration between many parties and many of our functions.